What do you call it on a date?
It's a pit.
I mean, I should have known that. That was a stupid question. Okay, so here's a question. Do you want to pretend like this is our first actual episode? Or do you think any of the other ones will ever be like shown?
I have no idea.
I think that if we like want to do it, I think that this one is like
start now.
number one.
Okay. It feels like a lot of pressure, but
yeah.
Okay. What are you thinking for our official
intro?
First video ever.
Sixth video.
Wink, wink.
Long story short, I met Debbie over the off season. I've since become a vegan. And she's trying to teach me, because I'm a Neanderthal and have no idea what to do in the kitchen, how to make some dishes.
But it's been a while and you kind of know a lot now. So.
Yeah, I would say I'm intermediate.
You're
not
a
advanced.
seasoned Neanderthal.
Seasoned Neanderthal, I'll take it. So what do we got today?
Okay, so we have a lot that we're trying to make. We're gonna do a delicious miso ramen with tons of veggies inside. And we're gonna do some date rolls for dessert.
Date rolls?
Date rolls. You've never had them, it's
No.
first. I hope you'll enjoy and continue to make them on your own. That's the goal here. But before that, I wanna make us a strawberry milkshake to give us some energy, because it's like getting late in the day and it's kind of about that time when the afternoon hunger comes in. So we're gonna do some dates, some nuts, and some berries, and you're gonna love it because it's one of my favorites.
Okay, so first up, tell me how I'm doing. We've got 3 dates here, but I gotta take the middle thing out.
Yes, please.
We don't want the middle little,
No, we
is it a
don't.
seed or
Yes.
core? What do you call it on a date?
It's a pit.
I mean, I should have known that. That was a stupid question. You not happy with that?
Well, so sometimes the date pit has this little top, so it's like a little cap. Feel how hard it is?
Yeah, I don't want to eat
I
that.
don't want to eat that, so.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm not doing a great job getting the pit out right now. Really smushing
It's
this
because
thing.
they're a bit dry.
Okay, that makes me feel better. Then we have 1 full cup of cashews.
Yes.
There it goes.
And those strawberries.
Okay.
3 cups of unsweetened almond milk. I like this company. There's a couple other good companies out there.
I feel like
Let's not advertise, but yeah, there's a couple good companies.
You shake this?
Yeah, shake it up. They're always in the refrigerator section because they're fresh. And these, I believe, are unpasteurized, but I'm not sure. They go off a lot faster than some of the other bottled almond milks.
All right.
Okay.
3 cups.
Touch of vanilla.
Oh, this is my nightmare here.
It's gonna be mine too if you put too much. Perfect.
Oh, I nailed it. I nailed it.
Couple hits of the cinnamon.
Okay, I kind of like cinnamon. I do a couple extras.
Yeah, that's good. Helps regulate blood sugar when we're eating all
How's
the
that look?
sweets. Perfect.
It smells delicious.
Milkshake time, milkshake time. Okay.
Also, I gotta ask, what's an ear candle?
That's a surprise for you for later. You're gonna do some ear candling if you want.
Okay. Too much?
Perfect.
Oh, a little spilled. I spilled a little.
That's okay.
I've also got bad news. Might be a tad feminine, but I've got to use a glass straw because if I don't, it'll be all in my mustache for the entirety of this show.
Oh, that's okay.
Would you like a glass straw?
Sure.
All right.
I don't want you to feel like you're alone.
Thank you. Makes me feel better.
All right, there we go. Cheers.
Cheers.
To a successful first episode.
Yes. You like it?
It's yummy.
It's really good.
I got a chunk of date though. Could have been blended.
I had one job.
I don't know. Drinking out of a straw feels really weird.
I'm sorry.
I need to gulp.
Gulp away.